Hi there DeeperNauts and welcome to this weekly roundup update video for the 28th of October. It's almost November, bonfire night in the UK and Halloween's just around the corner. So all of the annoying kids will be coming around my house to get sweets and I'll be shutting the door in the face because I don't like them. No, I'm joking. They'll get sweets, I suppose. So you know how this all goes. A Deeper network, the tweets, not a lot of tweets really this week. They've been pretty quiet, but they have got 2 new videos out. So the tutorial series thing they're actually doing, so the bridge to Metamask, they've done that. I haven't watched it because I know how it works. However, the link is in the description below, so have a look at that if you don't know how to bridge your DPR, and that's if the bridge is actually online. They've also put out a tweet that just basically says the NBA League Pass test thing is open, so you can sign up and win a year's worth of NBA subscription. I think there's a Deeper Connect Air as well, and like 500 DPR. Why would you want 500 DPR? I mean, it's only like $1. So, but it's fine. It's alright. Every little bit helps. And Deeper have also released this other video, creating a Subwallet because they've got that new Subwallet thing. It's okay. There's not really a point to it yet. You might as well just keep your DPR on the device because it doesn't have cross-chain kind of stuff on it, so what's the point? But we'll see. Eric Ma, nothing from Eric Ma. He's been really quiet, just retweeting stuff. So we'll skip that. I mean, but let's be fair though, I mean, you can't drop like bombshells every single week. I mean, if anything, these weekly updates are a little bit too quick. So we'll just have to wait and see when he releases stuff. No pressure, like. So the token price sucks. It was 0.002647 at the week start and it ended at 0.00238. So we are down again at 0.000267 and we've lost 12 more ranks. So we're now at 905. Now, I'm not going to be happy if we stop becoming in the top 1k. The token price is really starting to piss me off a bit now. It doesn't matter to me because I'm accruing all of this tokens, but they really need to. I mean, we've got the new Wi-Fi adapter. They really need to just not bother for now and sort the app out and the EZC coin, so we can get this burn going. Because at the minute we haven't really got a burn, and the rewards from people who mine is causing massive inflation. So we really need to kind of work on not releasing new stuff, but releasing things that we need, like the DApp store and things. They need to get EZC sorted, so then they can release all of this extra stuff, and it'll be a direct burn on DPR. So yeah, we'll see how they kind of go ahead. Hopefully they'll sort that out. We'll get the EZC coin sorted, the burning mechanism sorted. They release the DPN app to the app stores, and then we'll get that burn. But yeah, we'll see. So, validation node progress. As some of you may be aware, I'm working towards the validation node for the UK, and doing pretty well. So, Hive Mapper, I started doing that. I've got 6,025 HNY honey tokens. I've got 500,000 DPR in the actual devices themselves, and because of a guy who I've known for a while called Zach, he used my code when he bought 10 minis, so he's really helped this out, and that's $488 I've got now in my affiliate account, which equates to about 203,000 DPR. So all in all, I've got 723,000 DPR if I was to cash all that out and then buy DPR and stuff. So that's really good. I'm almost 3/4 of the way there, which is way quicker than what I ever thought. If the price of DPR goes down to 0.002, so $200 for 100,000, I'll just buy another 200k. But yeah, I mean, I would rather the price went really high rather than go down so I could buy more. Yeah, so that's my gripe of the week, I suppose. And I know a lot of people are kind of frustrated about this token price, so hopefully Deeper sort this out and they release their app to the app stores and have EZC in place so they can burn DPR. In other news, the UK has basically banned swaps. So where you would swap tokens from one to another, a lot of projects rely on that. The UK banned it. Promotion laws, even though it's not promotion, yeah, it sucks. As soon as Bitcoin started to have a bit of an uptake, they flicked a switch and it's happened because they don't want us to get rich. They want us to stay poor so they can stay rich and stay special. So yeah, so Friday's video is going to be how to get around that and how to swap your tokens regardless of what project it is. So keep tuned for that. And it basically uses the Deeper Connect device to get around that. So that's what the video will be about. It's pretty straightforward and easy. But yeah, so we can get around that and we can swap our tokens. Hive Mapper, for example. If you can't swap your tokens, they haven't got an exchange, so you're screwed. But this sorts it out, and we'll go through that. So thank you for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. Use my code if you want to buy a device, and help me get to validation no quicker. And I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye bye.